Hello everyone. So in this class we will discuss about biomes of world, okay, which comes under paper 2. So what are biomes? So it is the largest ecosystem in which the flora and fauna occupy the major habitat. So biome, it is the largest ecosystem in which the flora and fauna occupy the major habitat, or you can say as the biome is the geographical region on the surface of the earth which specific climatic features like a temperature, precipitation is nothing but the vegetation, okay, and then which favors the certain plants and animal life, that is known as biome. So here you can see the pictures of the biome, that is tropical rainforest, temperate forest. This one is boreal forest. Boreal forest is also known as the taiga biome. So this one is the desert biome, and this one is Savannah biome, and this is grassland biome, and these two are aquatic biomes. In aquatic biomes there are two types: marine biome as well as the fresh biome, and the last one is tundra biome. So we will discuss one by one now. So the first one is temperate rainforest. So it locates in the Pacific coast from the southern Alaska to the central California. So it is characterized by high rainfall. This biome is characterized by the high rainfall, so there may be many millions of species of plants, insects, and microorganisms which are still undiscovered in this rainforest. Okay, and then the temperate rainforest are coniferous and having a broad leaf forest that occurs in the temperate zone and receives a heavy rainfall, and the moist conditions of the temperate rain generally supports the mosses, ferns, as well as the shrubs. Okay, due to this moist condition of the soil, this supports the mosses, ferns, and shrubs. The mosses and lichens are very common, often growing as the epiphytes. Okay, so they are very commonly grown as epiphytes in this biome. The conifers trees are dominating in this biome, and you can also see numerous birds and animals in this biome. So the second one is tundra biome. So it locates at the northern hemisphere. So this biome locates at the northern hemisphere, and then the northern Alaska to the Canada. Okay, and then it is known for large stretch of bara ground and rocky patches vegetation such as moss vegetation, lichen vegetation, herb vegetation, and also some small shrubs vegetation. Okay, and there are usually 700 species of plants in the tundra region, and the vegetation of the tundra is low growing and consisting of mainly grasses and dwarf shrubs, small shrubs. Okay, and then there are wild flowers in this biome. Usually you can see the picture, this is the Graminaceae families, that is Poaceae. You can see different types of grasses in this picture. So you can see many types of grasses in this biome. There is a very little rainfall in this region. It is also the coldest biome on the earth. Okay, so this biome is also the coldest biome on the earth, having average annual temperature ranging from 40-degree frequency during the winter and 65-degree frequency during the summer, and the vegetation is perennial that come back each year from the same root. Okay, and then it is having more animal activity during summer than the winter due to the migration. So the animals move from one place to another place in this biome. Due to the cold temperature, the animals move to the other region, okay, during summer. And you will see the polar bears and lemmings here. Okay, and lemmings are nothing but the rat like animals. Okay, and then here there are few characters of the tundra animals, that the animals are having a thick coat of the skin. Okay, due to the cold temperature, here the animals are having a thick coat of the skin, and the skin is covered by the white fur. Okay, and then the next one is Taiga region, that is Boreal region. Okay, so it is also known as Boreal biome. So it is located at the northern hemisphere, and then Alaska and Canada to the eastern and Great Lakes regions of the United States. Okay, and then this biome, it is also known as boreal forest. Generally it is referred to the northern America, and it is also known as the snow forest. So it is characterized by the coniferous forest consisting of pine trees. So you will see pine trees in this biome, which comes under the gymnosperm. So it is the world's largest biome. This vegetation composed primarily of cone bearing needle leaved or scaly leaved. Okay, there are having cone leaved trees and then scaly leaved trees in this biome. This region have long winters and moderate to high annual precipitation. So there are 1800 species in this biome that are vascular plants. Okay, so 1800 species of vascular plants are occurring in this biome. So it occupies 27% of earth's surface. Okay, so this biome occupies 27% of the earth's surface. It is located above the Tropic of Cancer, in between the northern latitudes of 50 degree and 70 degree. Okay, so it occupies above the Tropic of Cancer between northern latitudes. And then this biome have various species of plants consisting of conifers plants, pines and hemlock, and then some of the evergreen plants. Okay, and then conifers are dominating in this biome. Plants also exhibit other such structures in their morphology, like needle-like leaves, which minimize the surface area of the leaf with its atmosphere to reduce the water loss through the transpiration. Due to their heavy snowing in this biome, the snow falls on the plants, and this may lead to the breakage of the stem and branches. Okay, and then there is a limit in number of animals that can survive in this biome due to the cold temperature. So there is a very cold temperature, and due to this region the animals must survive in this biome. Examples of the animals in this biome are squirrels, pigmonks, and then sparrows, deers, bears, and etc. Birds of the other regions come to Taiga region to nest and feed on the insects, and then migrate towards the end of the summer region. Okay, and then summer season to their respective biomes, and the animals of this biome have adaptive features. Coming to the next one, that is temperate deciduous forest. So this biome, it is also known as broadleaf forest. It is dominated by the trees that lose their leaves each year. They are found in areas with warm, moist summer and cool winters. This biome is found in the third middle latitude region with temperate climate, which is characterized by the winter season. The leaves of this tree vary in shape and size. Okay, so the leaves of this trees which are present in this biome have the variations in the shape of the leaves as well as the size of the leaves. Okay, and then shrubs are found primarily in this forest at the edges. Okay, that is known as timberlines. The flowering plants are abundant in this biome. Soils upon which deciduous forests are having gray brown and have brown podzoles. Okay, and then slightly acidic and humus layer of the soil. The soil is acidic in this region. Invertebrates such as earthworms, snails, insects are common in this biome. You can also see snakes, frogs, and mammals in this biome. Coming to the next one, that is grassland biome. In this biome, the areas are continuously dominating and which is covered by various grasses. Okay, here you will see number of grasses in this biome. There are one of the most they are means the grassland biome, it is one of the most widespread of all major vegetation types of the world. Okay, and then climate may vary in this biome. The temperate grassland are somewhat dry, and then the tropical grasslands and also mm, some of them grasslands, actually there are many types of grasslands. Okay, the temperate grasslands are somewhat drier, and then tropical grasslands are cooler, means the land is somewhat having cold temperature. And then dominant plants are members of the Poaceae family, that is Gramineaceae. Growing season of the plants is of 120 to 200 days. Okay, and then the area is scattered very long, and the rain and lightning are common in summer month. Due to the temperature variation, there is a lightning and raining in some during the summer months, and the rainfall and snow during the winter months. And then coming to the next one, that is desert biome. It is having low vegetation and low humidity, high temperature during some of the year. So it covers one fifth area of the Earth's surface. The biome has a layer of soil that can either be sandy, gravelly, or stony, depending upon the type of the desert. We will see xerophytic plants, desert plants, means we will obviously we know that cactus, xerophytic plants, etc. The desert plants have adapted to the extreme heat conditions. They include rice grasses, horsebush, and then black sage, buckwheat, and bush of the plants. Okay, and then coming to the next one, that is savanna biome. Savanna biome, it is characterized by extensive cover of the grasses with the which is a scattered trees, which are having scattered trees. Grasses are dominant in this biome. It is mixed woodland grassland ecosystem. So it is a mixed woodland biome as well as the grassland biome. Because of availability of the grasses in savanna, there are many grazing animals. It is rich with herbivores like elephants, zebra, buffalo. It receives about 59 inches of the rain every year. Some of the plants store water in roots due to the hot climate. So, in this savanna biome, it is characterized extensively by grasses. The grasses are scattered in this biome, and grasses are dominant in this biome, and it is mixed with woodland grassland ecosystem. Okay, and then there is a 59 inches of rainfall every year, and the water is stored in the roots of the plants due to the hot climatic temperature of the savanna. And then coming to the aquatic biome now. Generally, it is classified on the amount of salt present in the water, as the water is most important and essential element among the biological community. So this biome covers around 70 to 80% of earth surface. Okay, so it is the largest biome, we can say. So it covers around 70 to 80% of earth surface. And there are two types of biomes in aquatic biome, that is marine biome as well as the freshwater biome. So the freshwater biome have less than 1% of salt, as the water is the basic unit of the life, and it supports the life in water. And here you can see the image of various biome where exactly the biome lies. Okay, so you will see the tundra region here. So the tundra region, which is purple in color, which lies near the pole region, and then you will see chaparral region, which is red in color. Okay, and then grassland, which is green in color, taiga, which is dark green in color, and then desert, which is yellowish in color, and then mountain zones are nothing but you will see it in the South America as well as the North America region. And you will see light green color, that is tropical rainforest, and then pink color, that is temperate evergreen forest, and then chocolate color, that is temperate deciduous forest. So this was all about the biomes and various types of biomes like tundra, chaparral, grassland, taiga, desert, evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, rainforest. Hope you understood which type of vegetation occur in respective biome, and then climate, what type of climate is there in that particular biome. Thank you.